Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a cool song here to present for you guys. It's from Nina Chuba. I believe that could be an okay pronunciation, I believe, for all you German fans out there. This song is called Wenn das Liebe ist, or If This Is Love. I think that is how it translates. A cool song with some attitude, and I'm playing this on a cool TYMA guitar with some attitude. Look at this finish here with the maze finish. Great guitar, great song, great connection there. So let's go into If This Is Love, and we're gonna check out this setup here. We have a capo high up here on the 8th fret. I believe that is the absolute best scenario for us to get the high notes combined with easy chords. So let's go over the chords needed for this one. 6 different chords, starting with A minor. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be G. And that is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D as well. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the D minor. And it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. That's the only difference from D to D minor, but usually you have to recuperate your fingers to this position. And then we have the F chord as well. It's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E. Imagine you have the A minor we learned, you just bring up everything one string. So that gives us open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And there we have all the chords. Now we need to check out the strumming pattern. It's a 2-part strumming because we have a split there between 2 chords. So we're gonna look into the transition in the first verse from A minor, which is played with part 1 of the strumming, to G played part 2. In that way we're gonna learn the full strumming as it is. So we have A minor to G to learn here. Let's take a look at the part 1 strumming for A minor. It goes like this. Okay, so you play 2 downs first. And I like to play and separate these 2 downs. Play the first down on the bass strings and the next down on the higher top strings. That's some details right there. You don't have to start with, but it could be cool to implement that later on when you get comfortable with this strumming. So 2 downs first, and then up, down, down. That's it. So down, down, up, down, down. And then you switch chord in this case to G, and we're gonna learn the part 2 of strumming. It goes like this. A little more action there, and it starts with 3 downs. So it's down, down, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and then down, down. And then comes up, down, 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 up. Pretty much in one motion, so without any pauses. And that's it. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And there you have the full strumming. So if you play the A minor, part 1 to G, part 2, I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit to understand what's going on there, and that will be 1 string round, like this. Any tempo? I'll play 3 rounds for you right now, and that's what you're gonna do as well. And then you're gonna finish off the verse with D, 1 full round, which means both part 1 and part 2, like this. And all that is one round. So one round is A minor part 1, G part 2 for 3 times, and then you finish off with D, 1 full round. That is one round in the verse play. In this first verse, you're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So once you play that D1, you go back and play again A minor part 1, G part 2 for 3 rounds, and D 1 round. You played 2 rounds right there. That is the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus at 37 seconds into the song. And what you're going to do here is either you continue with this same strumming, or you just play 1 down per chord. It's up to you. This part doesn't have the exact same tension as the verse and the chorus, so therefore it could be good to just play 1 down to separate the tension and the energy in the song from each other. But you could also play 1 full strumming around, because that is the value, that is where you're gonna switch chords. So the chord progression here will be to play F, 1 down or 1 full strumming around, and then D minor, again the same, 1, then A minor, 1, and E, 1. And that is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play it only for this 1 round. And of course, if you choose to play just 1 down, then you have to have the pauses that the length of the pauses will be as if you would play 1 full strumming round. So you just have to have that in the backside of your head. That is the length of the pauses. Okay, so you play 1 round of that F, D minor, A minor, E, 1 down or 1 string round, and then you come into the chorus part, which is 51 seconds in. And guess what? You have the same chord progression here as in the pre-chorus: F1, D minor 1, A minor 1, E1. But now you're gonna play the strumming, and you're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds. Okay, so F1, D minor 1, A minor 1, E1 sounds like this. Into the second round, and there you have the chorus played. And from now on, guys, it's pretty much repetition. You go into the second round of everything. The second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one. The only difference here is it's half as long. So you're gonna play only this 1 round of A minor part 1, G part 2 for 3 times, and then D 1 full round. That is the second verse. Second pre-chorus played exactly in the same way. Second chorus, again, exactly in the same way as we just learned. And after that, we have the outro part left. You're gonna play the chorus play, just continue with that for almost 2 rounds. What I mean with almost is that when you come into the second round, you play the F, D minor, A minor, E, and second round F, D minor, and A minor. Once you play the A minor, you have ended this song, because that pause will be just the lyric parts where she sings, and you have played whatever you need to play to handle the song from Nina Chuba. It's called Wenn das Liebe ist. Yes, for all my German friends out there, I know you are a couple, and I hope you enjoyed this. A cool song to learn on guitar. So grab one, 6 chords only, string pattern, and just straightforward. So thank you for watching, guys. If this was helpful, then feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Everything is appreciated. If you leave a comment, you thumb up, you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.